physically restrained, gently tranquil, right of allurements. Truly pacified is the bhikkhu called. Dhammapad 378. For a monk to be wholly and completely tranquil, he must be restrained in body and speech. This discipline derives from the restraint of mind. Then, when these three forms of restraints have been achieved, the monk is automatically wholly and completely tranquil. That bhikkhu calmed of body, speech, calm, and well composed of mind, who world enjoyments has renounced, one calmed indeed is truly called. Dhammapad 378. Santokaya, Santobaso, Santoba Susamahito, Bonto Lokamiso, Bhikkhu Upasantoti Bucchati. Dhammapad 378.